Have you watched Rose, the current blockbuster movie? Rose had a school-time boyfriend and a very brutal, harsh auntie. And a rich family who wanted their American educated son to marry a lady from their tribe. Watch Rose's aunt quench for money. Rose, our new release that will really thrill you all the way through and leave you agape at the end. Finally, Rose married this brute. Their house became a battlefield. Produced and distributed by JKN Productions. Oh, an innocent lady experienced this kind of brutality. Her mother was not spared either.
Please, reke demuone odagike mo.
Oh, you drama kia.
You have never witnessed this kind of brutality before.
Hey, Tom.
Was this her man, really? At least this is what was her future dream. Now the brute regrets his action. Oh, then down on his knees he apologizes. Now buy it, watch it, see it. Utaipenda. Come on, put on your boots and run for your copy now. You can't miss it.
Shana Ihiana Gonegai, a film directed by Jimmy K. Njavia. It's a story of family confrontation. What do you do when your mother demands you give her a grandson? How about when she insists you must get married?
I love you. You love me.
Now on sale in every music shop. Informers with bad intentions are also there. Well, they don't accept anybody's money except from their clients. Carol is happy. She will be getting married soon.
Oh, he's fine. Guess what? What?
But little did she know that her in-law to be had a different idea.
Are you pregnant? Oh no, sir, I'm not. Besides, if you try Hanoko, natutige kama odu tamasha.
Carol runs from the disgusted family, but Ken won't let go.
Let's talk about this. Please.
Leave me alone.
Please,
there
Carlo.
is nothing to talk about.
Please, Carlo.
Please,
forget about it. Forget about it.
Oh, Is this really true?
Pregnant? Gieda? Ken? No wariganirwo ni honokio waku. Todo tu dogo ni araria uru. Just like that.
Ken, you are my son. Dimenete moyo tushe orona hanini. But for the sake of peace in this house, sharia moyo tu.
No, mama.
Will Ken be able to go it alone? Find out. Get your copy now. Buy it. Watch it. See it. Utaipenda. Oh, what a sad moment. Shiana iheanagwo nĩ Ngai. A feeling for you. A feeling for the whole family. Don't miss it. Get your copy now. Marketed and distributed by JKN Productions. Cell 0722 643 175.
Have you watched the most thrilling and exciting movies from JKN Production? Mami Part 1 and Part 2. Rose. Siana iheanagwo nĩ Ngai.
Gĩrĩ kũhuta ona nini. Gĩrĩ kũhutia. Nĩkĩ gĩtũmĩte ũtũme twĩthumbũre ũũ?
And now Murata No Part 1 and Part 2. Esther. When Mike allowed his wife to sleep with another man to give them a child, little did he know it was his friend James who will turn out to do this job. Neither little did he know that the whole saga will cost him his life.
Ugie twana, at least twiri.
Okay, proof ati ndo akomire nawe.
It's a story full of suspense, action, and love.
Ngai fafa. Daddy manakana ono kronika mwetu.
The truth behind most closed doors now told in open.
Tutina dina ona hanini.
You have seen many Kenyan films, but you have not seen anything like this. A movie directed by Jimmy Kiari Jaria. Produced and distributed by JKN Productions. Cell phone 0722643175. Starring Samuel Wainaina, Waitaji Evans, Valentine Joroge, Charles Strongo, Margaret Joroge, Wagari Naomi, and Naftali Kamitha. The truth behind most closed doors now told in open. Run now and grab your copy. Available in all leading music and video shops all around Kenya.
Simple desire.